A big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel. And in this channel, in this video, I'm going to be talking about a big hello and a warm welcome to all of you amazing and beautiful people out there. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my vlog. In this video diary, I'm going to be talking to you about an amazing product for your hair. And quite frankly, I am going in to get a shampoo right now. I'm going to oil my hair and I'm going to shampoo. So that's why I've tied them up in a weird looking bun like this. But this is that amazing product. And this is called Soap Nut. Okay. It's actually in Hindi, we call it Rita. And it is so amazing that it can give you solution for 3 major hair related problems. Number 1 is hair fall. Number 2 is dandruff. And number 3 is premature graying of your hair. So how does it work? It's very simple. Diya, that's my sister Diya, and she's gonna be helping me in this vlog. So just open it. Open the jar. She's a bit camera shy. So thank you, Diya, for your help.
No problem.
This is how it looks like, the soap nuts. And I'll show you one big piece. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you just have to submerge it in water overnight, or you have to boil it in hot water. And then it will create a foam, or the water can be used to shampoo your hair. And it is so good. I've tried it already and I'm going to show it to you again after a while. Like after all the oiling and shampooing, I'll show you how my hair looks after the shampoo so you can see, right? So I'm going to show you how to use the soap nuts. This one that's very hard right now, it will become very soft. Okay. And you can even store that water in a small bottle and you can reuse it again and again if it is left. All right. So we'll show you how to use it. Thank you, Diya. So these are the soap nuts that I had soaked in water over a night. That's how the color of the water will turn into. It will be goldenish yellow and you can already see the foam in it. That's all coming from the soap nuts. Once it becomes soft, all you have to do is squeeze out the seed from it. There's a black color seed inside it. And even as I squeeze it, you can see that my hand is becoming foamy. This is a slightly bigger chunk. And this is also soft now. So all I have to do is just take these in my hand or in my palm. And just for you guys, I'm showing it to you how you can do it. And my only idea is to show you how much foam and lather can come out from these little soap nuts. So you can soak like 12 to 14 of them at one go. And I usually use them for at least 2 to 3 wash. 2 to 3 times I can use the water and the foam that's created from just 12 to 14 soap nuts. So it's that cost effective. It's chemical free. Look at these seeds, these black seeds. I surely want to tell you guys that this is one of the best things I have been using for my hair lately. And I love this. I love the soap nuts. And once I get into the bath, the amount of foam, amount of lather it produces, and that's not the only thing, my friends. It's really good for your hair. It makes your hair so soft and shiny. You will soon see the results live in action. But now, as you can see, how easily I'm creating this. All of this water, all of this foamy water, all of it can be used for your hair. And even if you put oil in your hair, it will remove all the oil. basically we need to remove all the seeds and everything else is going to create shampoo. The whole remaining pulp of it will create shampoo. So everyone, as you can see, I have already applied oil in my hair and I'm literally showing you this video just to make you believe that yes, I am applying hair oil. So I'll see you soon. So everyone, I'm back after shampooing my hair with the soap nuts and let them dry, and then I can show you if the oil has gone out or not. Even I'm waiting, and I have to say that the foam and the lather was so much, like I was shocked. Usually it is like that only, but today, I don't know, maybe I was doing the experiment, it was even more, and I had oiled my hair. One more thing that I want to tell you all about this is that the fragrance of the soap nut shampoo, the Rita, is amazing. It's better than any shampoo, so it stays onto your hair for a long time. So I'm gonna catch up with you again once I dry my hair. See you soon. So friends, I am back, and guess what? This is my hair, completely dried up, and as you can see, I have not done anything to it. This is how it is. It looks naturally without any combing, okay? So you can see all the oil is gone and my hair is super shiny right now. I have not applied anything, my friends, anything whatsoever. So this is really one of the best things that I've figured out in the last few, like some time frame that I would say. I can't say months or years exactly, but I knew about Rita since a long time, but I never really used it. Only when I realized that my hair fall problem or hair problem is increasing, and not only me, I see a lot of people, and I've always avoided chemicals. And in this shampoo also, I would say that I did use a conditioner, but it was made from virgin coconut, really good for hair, and it's a very mild conditioner. So I need anything which is chemical free. Any product which is chemical free is something that I want to try. So friends, my hair is actually normal. It's not oily or dry. So I think Rita is perfect because I had oiled my hair, and I can't tell you like how easily you can see all the oil is gone. All the oil is gone. Okay. And I have not styled my hair. This is my hair without any styling. Without any styling, no blow dry, nothing. I just waited for my hair to dry on its own. And you can see guys, the result is amazing. So do try it out. Only remember one thing, that do not let the lather or the foam or the water of the Rita go into your eyes when you're washing, because it slightly can burn, but it's not dangerous or anything. It's not like it will trouble you a lot. And second thing is that don't shampoo regularly with Rita. Don't shampoo every day, because I used to shampoo my hair literally every day, but I have realized that if you use it every day, then it can make your hair slightly hard. And one more good thing about Rita is that it adds volume to your hair. So I have shared some pictures on Instagram. Even those pictures were clicked right after my shampoo with Rita. So a lot of volume is naturally added to your hair because your hair becomes so healthy. So healthy. Just look at it, guys. Just look at it. So thank you so much for being here with me. It's absolutely cheap product. One more thing which is not very expensive. I got like this huge packet for such a like small amount, so you guys can also figure it out. Maybe you can get it on Amazon. You just have to write down soap nut Rita and you can get it, and you can start using it. It's so easy. You just have to soak it in for one night or boil it in hot water if you're in a hurry, and that's it. Your shampoo is ready. So easy. So subscribe to this channel because I'm going to be bringing a lot of these things for you which can transform your life and put you on this really chemical free, organic, very healthy lifestyle, which is not only good for your skin, for your hair, but even for your body. Because if your gut, if your body is healthy, automatically you'll have youthful energies. So one love and peace out.